Honey.
We are in the little one first. It's a tape measure.
Your own one?
Yeah.
Wow. Pop it in your toolbox then. Henry's not got his own toolbox. Really?
And there might be another doll.
You don't think so?
Video it for Grandad.
Might
Grandad
be.
didn't want to miss this. It's alright, I'll see.
May think it is.
Hello, what's the blue? Kick it.
When we film it, we sit on the bit. I mean,
Stop for a minute. Excuse me.
banner.
That's not for you.
Yeah.
What?
More rabbit.
You don't like tools.
Give me that. And he was tools.
Let me help.
Oh.
Let me help. Would you like some help?
Yeah. Who get a pair, a date box?
Alright, I'll get this other paper.
Henry, do you like this?
Yeah. Hey, rabbit.
Hello. You're welcome.
We think it will be another one.
No.
Nah, I don't think it is, Henry.
Yeah, it
No 4-year-olds have their own toolbox. It's just stupid.
is.
What is it? A spirit level?
Yeah.
So you can make sure you... This is really handy to have actually. You can make sure that you have...
For mummy.
when you
for
put
me.
my pictures up, you can make sure you put them up straight.
Yeah. Oh, whatever was one. Oh. Some more things.
What is it?
Some things.
Some keys. Oh, padlock.
Yeah.
Wow. Do you want to lift the tray out?
Yeah.
Like Bob the Builder would. There's not more.
Yeah.
What?
We should have done one. A bomb on the head.
Don't think we want to bump anyone on the head with that one.
No.
It don't be.
Thank you.
Is it?
More rubbish.
More rubbish. More rubbish.
More rubbish.
And
Come on,
even
Batman.
more rubbish. You're right, Nanny.
It's a walking stick.
It's a walking stick.
No, not.
What, in a
Let's
toolbox?
get this sellotape
No,
off.
it not. It wouldn't be a walking stick. It won't just it behind me. What is it? An axe.
An axe. An axe?
Hammer.
I don't think I'd trust Henry with an axe.
I'm not sure. I'm trusting you with this. There we go.
No, I don't.
Hammer.
You have to be very careful when you use this under supervision.
It's a hammer.
You can use this only when you're with Mummy.
Yeah.
Okay?
If I hit it.
It is, isn't it?
It's a bit.
Steady.
No. No, put it back in the dung. Not
Yeah,
heavy.
put it back in the toolbox.
Easy to it. We think we know what we did the bowl. A bell?
What?
A bell? A bowl.
Why would there be a bell in a toolbox?
The bell. We can hear it go ding, ding. It sounds like a bigger things. It sounds like some more things.
Ooh.
Doos! Doos! Bell! Doos.
Some screws.
Doos! Yeah. So, what for a doodad or a banner maybe? Or a hammer. No, does it the little bit hanging
You
out?
need a screwdriver really for them, don't you?
Yeah.
Oh.
Maybe one of we might be doing a diver.
Doesn't look like a screwdriver, does it?
We think Daddy buy with.
You think Grandad
Bought
buys it?
it.
Bought it.
How is it? He's cleverer than me, I swear.
We don't. Oh, me know what it is. Belt. It might be. Don't you need a belt?
Little Ed. What is it then, Hen?
That's it, though. Belt. This is a belt. Belty belt. We bought it.
What's that?
Open it up and...
Pencil dice. No.
Oh. Why would a pencil case be in a toolbox?
Money. I set off doing Daddy does.
No way. Show me. JCB ones?
Yeah.
What is it? Show me.
Mommy, that's
There's
it.
some screwdrivers now.
Whoa. Is Henry my builder?
Builder.
Can I see them?
Builder.
Oh, little one.
Builder.
Wow.
lucky boy.
You want it back in the toolbox.
Builder.
Shall we put these bits in here then?
I'm sure we can add bits along the way as we collect them.
No.
It won't
Only
fit
the
in
little
that.
bits go in there, darling. We'll keep these big bits down here, look.
No.
You want that one
That
in there?
one will.
And
this
the
on top.
hammer is there.
No, it's alright down there because it's a heavy one. It's heavy. It's too heavy for this tray. It has to go in the bottom. Lift this on. Do you want to do it up and then go and stand down there and see if you can lift it up like Bob the Builder would? Do you want to stop down there?
They've got me
See if you
that
can-
whole load of
That's
water.
alright.
Hold
Go on then. Up and down.
Can
Can you manage it?
Wait,
Wow, Henny
it's
the
really
Builder.
heavy, but we have to do it.
Yeah, it's better
Oh,
your
why
hands,
does
didn't you?
not?